What is going on? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California. It is the 1st of March. The first 2 months of the year have been phenomenal, have been epic. I've been receiving testimonials from my team members like this, people crossing their first 10K, crossing their first 20K, their first 50K with this IPS business opportunity. If you're still sitting on the fence because, oh, you're not sure how you're going to make it happen, you're not sure what strategies you're going to use, you have to eliminate that fear, because the coaching training, 90% of the training teaches you how to attract your potential client, how to attract your audience and not chase after them. So you can automatically eliminate that fear of, well, I don't know where I'm going to post. I don't know what ads I'm going to post, because everything has been, the ads are pre-made. You literally just have to save them and paste them using the different strategies on the different social media platforms that you're going to learn inside of the training. I'm ready to help another 30 people this next coming month, this March. If you want to be a part of them, take action fast. Click on the link below. Get started with the team today, and let's make it happen. These are just some testimonials of members that got rid of all the excuses. They started implementing the training, and now they're creating these type of results. And of course, the amount of success that you create, it depends solely up to you, how much work and dedication you put into the business, and what is your work ethic, right? It all comes down to you. You can create your own reality. You're responsible to create your own reality. So if you're ready to get started, click on the link below. Go to successwithadriana.com. Again, let's make March the best month yet. And other than that, I'll see you at the top. Ciao, ciao.